Well, I'll start on the walls now. So far, I've put a bunch of furring strips all over the place here. These, since the way the wall goes, this side here is at one level, and down there is at another level. So what I did is I had to shim this, and on that one too, so that it kind of come out at an angle and meet up right there and right there. So instead of having to work around this piece here that's kind of an oddball, weird shape, the walls will go directly over that. And then I put those on the bottom to attach to. And on this side, I put one big long strip all the way down. And on right here, I built this up sorta to match the contour of that, so that it'll be straight all the way across. So this part here kind of plays the role of that wall right there. And then I put some insulation right here. Nothing spectacular. Well, I got the walls all in. It was a lot of work, but actually came out way better than I was expecting. They're real solid, really in there. I used one sheet for this towards the front, so when you come in the side door, there won't be a seam. There is a seam right here because the sheets are only 8 feet long and the van is 10 feet. But I don't know. I got it pretty even. I put a strip of this behind here so that this would line up, and that worked out pretty good. On this side, I've got it all up there. I didn't get quite as good a fit in the corner there as I did on the other side, but it's probably going to be all covered up. And I put that right there in, which is going to be the height of the countertop. And that sucker is, I think you could attach a tow strap to it and pull the van out of mud using that thing. So my next project is going to be building a counter space here with I don't know what I'm going to do for storage. Bins. I think I'm just going to use like cubby holes instead of trying to put sliding drawers and all that, because the bed's going to come out about 30 inches and this is going to come out about 18 inches, and that's just not going to leave a whole lot of room for the drawers to slide back and forth. So if I just make holes with a kind of a ledge at the bottom to keep stuff from falling out, I think that'll work good. So I don't know. Never really made cabinets before. I also, up in this area is where the battery is going to be mounted to the floor, and back here is, I have an ARB fridge which will be back here. So I got to get that in and be able to take measurements. Yeah, but it is moving along. So when you come over here from this door, there's just one solid piece of wood. And this is pretty nice wood. I got hardwood plywood. Oh, I put a coating of boiled linseed oil on this wood, and it really brought the grain out nice. So I'll probably do the same thing with this side. And I reinstalled the headliner for the front, and it came out really good, even with this 1/2 inch thickness in here. So, gonna be moving on. Gonna need to come up with something to cover that. And I was thinking just get a whole bunch of license plates and make a row of license plates all the way down that way and on the other side. But I'm still giving it some thought. License plates are not as cheap as I thought they were. It's going to take about 20 of them to do this, and that will be about $60 on eBay, 60 or $70 for 20 license plates. I'm not sure if I want to spend that much, but we'll see.